Hello friends, today we are going to give some introduction about AutoCAD software. AutoCAD software is a tool of civil engineering, mechanical engineering. So it is basically used for designing of 2D and 3D modeling. We can design 3D and 2D models in this software. Here we go. We have this UI of AutoCAD. Here I am using AutoCAD Autodesk 2018, and here we have some recently used documents. That means you have some recent files here. You can check out some. Okay, you have some here notifications, notification bars, and everything. So here you can start some new drawing files by using some templates already that are in AutoCAD by default. So here are AutoCAD name plots and something, and everything is here. So usually what we are going to do, we are usually using two in design purposes, that is AutoCAD.dwt, this drawing file. So here is AutoCAD ISO. We are using usually those two. So here we are using this one. So here we have some ribbons, some tools. Here this is having some drawing tools. Here this is called modification tools. Here we have some dimension tools also, which will give us some measuring tools. Okay, here we have some layers and all. In the first home panel, we have all of these layers. Here we have some properties, blocks. We can make blocks, we can insert default blocks, and so on. Here we have some utilities. Here you can have measurements and all, point style, ID point, and here we can have calculator also. Here we have some saved clips and everything, and here we have some viewing design. So actually this is the user interface where you can draw your drawings and all by using those tools and all. Here we have some things that are model views. So you can actually view top view, bottom view, left or right, whatever you want, on what you have to draw things. You can use those kind of things. Suppose this is the top view, so it will actually zoom in that drawing which you have already drawn. So it will zoom in and it will give you the top view of that model, whatever you have drawn. And it is the bottom view, this one. This is the left view, this is the right, and this is front view. And here we have some visual styles. So here we have 2D, wireframe, conceptual, hidden, realistic shades, and all of these. So actually we are going to look each and everything in the next videos, upcoming videos. So we have some insert ribbons here. So each and everything we are going to explain in our next videos. This is only introduction video. So we have some parameters, those are some geometric parameters like we are using in the dimensions. These are some 3D tools here. We have modeling tools, we have solid editing tools, we have surfaces, we have meshes, we have all of these tools that we are going to use. Okay, here we have some visualizing tools. Here we are having lights, we are having sun's location and everything. We have some cubes, viewing styles and everything. We have some managing tools, we have output tools, we have add-ins, whatever you have in this. So up to this we have these almost 5 6 7 things that are important in AutoCAD. So we have here files, editing and everything. So this sometimes we are getting problems of hiding these things. So double clicking it will come, and sometimes we are getting the problem. We have this ribbon bar is getting closed and we are not able to find it. So we can go into the tools. We can actually, here are palettes. So here it is written as ribbons. So we are going to hide it, or we can go back through it and we can go and select it and it will come back as normal. Sometimes this will be not there, so we are going to show our menu bar or hide our menu bar. So bar, how to show it, how to hide it. It is very simple. Go to this drop down icon here. So we can literally do these kind of things here. So we can show it, we can hide it and whatever. So we have some files here we are going to explain it, and we have some editing tools, we have view tools, insert tools, each and everything we are going to explain in our next upcoming videos.